Window installation in Pompano Beach is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our team of replacement windows Pompano Beach experts specializes in providing top-notch window solutions tailored to meet your specific needs. Whether you're interested in energy-efficient windows or hurricane-impact windows, our window contractors in Pompano Beach are ready to assist. Energy-efficient windows in Pompano Beach are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our window specialists offer a wide range of energy-efficient window options that not only save money, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. With our window consultation services, you can explore various window styles and designs that suit your preferences. Hurricane impact windows in Pompano Beach are essential for protecting your home from severe weather conditions. Our window installation services ensure that your hurricane windows are fitted perfectly to withstand the toughest storms. Trust our replacement windows Pompano Beach experts to provide durable and reliable window solutions that keep your home safe. Vinyl windows in Pompano Beach offer a cost-effective and low-maintenance option for homeowners. Our window contractors provide high-quality vinyl window installation that enhances your home's appearance and functionality. With a variety of window styles available, you can choose the perfect vinyl windows to complement your home's design. Window replacement in Pompano Beach is a vital service for maintaining the integrity and performance of your windows. Our window glass replacement and window frame replacement services ensure that your windows remain in top condition. Whether you need minor replacements or complete window replacement, our window services in Pompano Beach have you covered. Custom windows in Pompano Beach allow homeowners to express their unique style and preferences. Our window design and fitting services offer personalized solutions that cater to your specific requirements. From double-hung windows to sliding windows, our window specialists in Pompano Beach provide a wide range of custom window options. Double-hung windows in Pompano Beach are a classic choice for those seeking traditional elegance and functionality. Our window experts offer professional installation and maintenance services to ensure your double-hung windows operate smoothly. With our window upgrades, you can enhance the performance and appearance of your windows. Sliding windows in Pompano Beach are perfect for maximizing natural light and ventilation in your home. Our window contractors provide expert installation and maintenance services to keep your sliding windows in optimal condition. Explore our window enhancements to improve the functionality and style of your sliding windows. Window replacement in Pompano Beach is an excellent way to update your home's look and improve energy efficiency. Our window specialists offer comprehensive window replacement services, including window estimates and consultation. Trust our window experts to guide you through the process and provide the best window options for your home. Pompano Beach window contractors are dedicated to delivering exceptional window services to meet your needs. From window maintenance to window upgrades, our replacement windows Pompano Beach team is committed to providing high-quality solutions that enhance your home's value and comfort. Contact us today for a window consultation and discover the best window options for your home.